Okay, the last call for the station number 9.
Japan 1, Papa, Florida, Guatemala.
Maximum transmission power. You can see the SMA connector. Hello everybody, just got this interesting radio. Another one from Radtel. Model is Radtel RT860. Right here you can see the SMA female connector. You can connect additional antenna and catch short waves, long waves and medium waves. Actually this radio can catch the SSB, LSB, amplitude and FM modulation. Let's see closely. The radio came in this box. On top you can find the user manual in English. The radio itself looks pretty good. The dual band antenna, SMA female connector. Let's see some parameters of the antenna. It seems works pretty good on both bands, 2 meters and 70 centimeters. Let's see closely each of them. As you see on the 2 meters band, antenna works on the middle of the band, the main frequency 145.5 MHz. On the 70 centimeters band, the parameters pretty good. Belt clip, strap, desktop charger and adapter, and USB to the USB-C port cable. On top of the radio you can find the volume knob, additional port for antenna, functional button. On the left side you can find the 2 functional buttons and 1 PTT button. On the right side you can find the USB-C port for charging. Actually you can charge the radio like this, or just plug in the USB-C cable into the USB-C port. Let's turn off the light and see the process of charging indicates using this. The red light means the process of charging is going right now. When the radio is charged, the light will be green. The belt clip attaches to the battery like this. Let's detach the battery and see the capacity of the battery, around 2000 milliamps, voltage 7.4 volt. The model of the radio you can see under this sticker. Let's compare the size of the radio. If you compare to the Yaesu, you can see the Radtel little bigger in size. If you compare it to the islands, RTVs, it seems smaller. Let's check the speaker of the radio. Testing, audio, speaker, testing, audio. Let's check the microphone of the radio. I will transmit from Radtel and receive on the ISO VXXR.
Radtel RT860 testing, audio, microphone, testing, microphone, audio.
The working band of this radio, VHF and UHF, from 136 to 174 and from 400 to 480 RT860, and this radio can receive the signal from 18 MHz to 520 and from 840 almost until 1 GHz. Also, airband is available in AM mode from 108 to 136 MHz. Additionally, in this radio you can find SMA connector, which is connects to the chip Si4732 inside this radio. This chip allows to receive the signals from 143 to 279 kHz long waves, and medium waves from 520 kHz to 1710 kHz, and short waves in the SSB, LSB and USB, CW and M mode from 2.3 MHz to 30 MHz.
7 Yankee, Papa Delta 7 Yankee, CQ10 meter. This is Papa Delta 7 Yankee, Papa Delta 7 Yankee, CQ10 meter. This is Papa Delta 7 Yankee, Papa Delta 7.
Okay, the last call for the station number 9, Foxtrot Kilo. If you're not calling, I'm going to move on to the next station. Number 9, Foxtrot Kilo, go ahead. CQ 17, Papa Hotel 9, Hotel Bravo.
Delta Lima. Delta Lima only. Bravo November 59. Thank you, you advance. Sierra Delta only. Yankee Uniform 2 Sierra Delta 59. Oh, Italy 2 Whiskey Alpha. Hotel Victor Radio.
Let's enter to the menu of the radio and just press this button. Basic settings, name, call sign, KB, clock timer, brightness, backlight, standby, text priority, frequency steps, a lot of steps available, talk around, save mode, scan mode. Let's list the menu. Instruction, CD contrast, rec input, initialization, version, this one, exit, key definition. You can assign the functionality to these two buttons and this button using this menu. Enter to the menu and exit long press from the menu, or just press this one. Let's go to the key definition menu, alarm key, press monitor, power, dual standby, priority scanning, Roger, ground. I'm gonna assign a lot of functionalities to the button. exit, exit, analog set, square level, start tone, end tone, single mic gain, speaker gain, glitch, detect repeater delay. Let's see all of them. Channel sets, scrambler is available, offset, AM FM RX, exit zone set, radio, time manage, extended. That's all menu. Shortly press this button, the radio is starting. The long waves, long press this one, FM radio, HF band, medium waves. Let's go to the short waves. And short press change the modulation. LSB, USB, CW. Medium wave band works also pretty good.
و از حضورت می‌طلبم که با تمام وجود Соединенных Штатов. Вот так российские автовладельцы.
Long waves.
Wykazują prawie identyczny duch pędzla, tak nam się wydaje, na razie głównie na podstawie fotografii. Musimy kontynuować te badania i teraz nawiązać ściślejszą współpracę z tymi ośrodkami, żeby...
Also, spectrum analyzer is available in this radio. I assigned the running this spectrum analyzer. Do the long press to this button. Right here you can see the frequency step. You can type the frequency, central frequency 144, for example, and step 1 megahertz. You can see the spectrum. Let's try to transmit on 145 megahertz. Yes, you can see the frequency below 145, and hear the signal. I like the S-meter. You can see the signal right here in dBm. Short waves.
سر خودش بکشه یا به نفع خودش فقط کار کنه. خب محیط براتون خیلی به نظر خسته کننده.
Let's check the transmission power of the radio. 2 meters band 4.7 maximum transmission power, low power 2.3. Let's go back. 70 centimeters band 4.1 maximum transmission power, low power 1.3. 220 megahertz maximum transmission power around 0.2, 290, the same. 300, 0.5, 310, 2.6 watts. 350, around 5 watts. 520, 0.2. 27 megahertz, citizen band, 3.3 watts. 50 megahertz, the same maximum transmission power, but we don't know where the signal is maximum. On the 27 megahertz, maybe we have the high power harmonics. Let's check. If you'd like to transmit on 27 megahertz, let's check the harmonics. I have attenuation around 40 dB. You can see right here the main signal number 1 and harmonics. The level of harmonics is really high. That's not good. Please don't use this radio on 27 MHz in transmission mode, because you make a lot of harmonics. Let's check the 2 meters band. You can see the main signal and second harmonic. The level of the second harmonic is not too high. The signal pretty good. In VHF band all works correctly. 70 centimeters band. Let's transmit and see. The main signal is pretty good. We can see the lot of small signals.
Information, November
Air band.
1800. Visual approach, runway 12, runway down. Estimated surface friction, good. Transfusion level 60. Taxiway Charlie, out of operation.
The signal is weak, but the radio catch it perfectly. Sounds pretty good. Using handmade antenna you can catch the pirates from satellites. Let's check the sensitivity on the main antenna. I mean the place where you can connect the main antenna, VHF and UHF. If you'd like to connect 27 MHz, disconnect the attenuation and try to send the signal -8 dBm. Let's turn on the generator and let's see, -123 dBm. The radio almost deaf on this band, but probably on VHF and UHF it works pretty good. Using the 60 dB attenuation, let's send the signal -65 dBm and we can hear that signal. Let's change the level of the signal. we can add the external 60, maybe minus 60. Let's turn off the squelch. Let's disassemble the radio. In this case, you should unscrew the antenna, detach the battery, unscrew the rings and several bolts from here, rings from here, and open the case. Don't forget to disconnect this cable. After detaching this connector and this one, probably we should unsolder two wires which connects to the speaker. But before unsoldering these wires, let's see this side of the main board. You can see the small coax in this place, and this coax attached to the HF receiver on this Si4732 chip. The opposite side connects to the SMA female connector, which is additional connector using for the HF antenna. This part of the radio contains an additional board with the screen and keyboard. The microphone soldered right here. Let's unsolder this one connector and see the opposite side of the circuit board. Let's see the opposite side. You can see the SMA connector, filters close to the antenna, I mean the main antenna connector. Transistors, (0606E). The main chip, BK3819. It looks pretty good. Currently I'm using the external antenna, which is on my roof, the dipole on HF band.
Japan 81, Papa, Florida, Guatemala. Papa, Florida, Guatemala. Maybe, is that correct? Guatemala, Japan Radio 1, United Florida, Guatemala, over.
27 megahertz.
Division. I am at 32 kilometers from 26 Division, QSL.
Nice radio. Let's use it almost everywhere because you can catch almost all bands, all HF bands, all VHF and UHF. You can communicate on the UHF and VHF bands using this antenna, catch the HF medium wave and long wave using this one antenna. I like it. See you later.